Hello everyone, Steph here for Create and Conquer Studio. Let me show something real quick. If you sell digital products or you run an online shop, this is how I create clean desk mockups, and it's in seconds. So this tool will save you so much time. You're gonna be amazed by the tool that we've created. So if you want to see all the bots that we're creating and working on, you can go on createandconquer.studio. I will leave all the links under this video so you can after click and go directly on our website. The bot I want to show you now is the Desk Mockup Wizard standard. Instead of buying mockups or editing templates, you just answer a few questions and the bot builds your mockup for you. And when I'm talking about mockups, this is a desk mockup wizard. So it's going to be a desk with props or without props. And you can show basically whatever you want in the middle, add a tablet, remove a tablet. It's up to you. So this will create quickly. You don't need to go to stock images or anything else. It will create whatever you want. So when you're in the bot, you just click on ready, go, and it's gonna start asking you questions. So it's very easy. You just need to choose whatever you want. So let's do a minimal. And it's gonna come up with the next question. So the color lightness. Okay, I want it cool beige. Let's take D. If you don't have your options there, you can basically ask for anything else. You just type it in the bar. I'm going to stick to the options right now just to show you. So styled, this is the props. So what do you want around on your desk or around the desk? Okay, and it will be modern. Let's go with modern. And now, what is the next question? The desk angle. Oh, this is very important. How do you want to show it? So yeah, I think I'm gonna select that top down because this is a very smooth way of presenting a product. And what is the background finish? Let's do the D. I like light plaster, so it's gonna look great. Okay, so how many do I want? It's best if you go with one just to see how it is, and then you can ask to create more similar. So it's really easy. Now the bot is thinking probably it's gonna come up with the recap. Yeah, this is the recap. So if at any point you want to change anything, you can always type it there, like to change whatever, because this is what you pick, right? Your selections. If you want to change it, you can ask. But for this video, I'm just going to say yes, because this is, my options. And then the bot is coming up with the image. See how long it took? Like with me talking right now, I'm at 3 minutes. And I'm gonna get an image right away, like in few seconds. You still need to wait a bit, but it's not that long. So again, if you want to check all the bots that we have online, you go on createandconquer.studio. So this is where we have all our bots. We also have a mini bot for free that is creating word art for your social media posts. So see, it is basically what I've asked. So few props, there's a laptop here and it's clean, and you can add your digital creation here or your props or, like your quotes, whatever you want. Let's say I want it cleaner, like I don't want these two books here. So I'm just gonna say and recreate. Sorry, it took me a few seconds to do this. But yeah, this is, right away, this thing is gonna come up with a new image. If you wanna upload it, you just need to click here, like to download it, sorry, here. And you can use it in Canva or, wherever you're using your mockups. So this is the next one. See, I just has to remove because I found it was maybe too busy on that one. So you came back with this one. So yeah, so thank you very much. I mean, it's 5 minutes already. I don't want to take you too long, but this is really cool. It's really fast. See how fast it took me to create just 2 mockups, like in few minutes. So happy to see you soon, and thank you very much.